Dear viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be solving a problem on preparation of a hire purchase chart. Kindly watch the video till the end, like it, share among your friends and subscribe to the channel. Now, let me take the question here. Mr. Gundappa purchased a machine of the cash price of rupees 28,000 on 1/1/2014 on hire purchase system. He paid on 1/1/2014 rupees 7,500 on signing of the contract and the balance amount in 3 equal annual installment of rupees 7,500 each, and interest is charged by the vendor at 5% on the unpaid balance. Calculate the interest included in each installment. Now let me move to the green board. In this problem, we have given the cash price, we have given the rate of interest, and we have given the initial payment. The cash price is given as rupees 28,000, and the initial payment, the down payment is 7,500, and the installment amount is rupees 7,500 each. There are 3 installments, and vendor charges 5% rate of interest. So it is a case where the cash price and the rate of interest is given in the problem. So now let us go for preparing the hire purchase chart here. So preparation of hire purchase chart. So this is a date column, this is installment column, then interest column, and this is cash price or the principal amount. Here the depreciation in this problem it is not given, so let me remove this column here. So date, installment, then interest, which is given at the rate of 5%, then principal or cash price. So here the CP is given as, which is given the problem as rupees 28,000. So on 1/1/2014, the initial payment paid by the hire purchaser, that is Mr. Gundappa, he pays rupees 7,500. So when he makes payment of initial payment, so there is no need of payment of interest here. So let me take one more column here, outstanding balance here. So CP here it is 28,000. So 7,500. So the total cash price as given the problem is 28,000. So now he has paid 7,500. So the outstanding balance will be 500 here. So 8 minus 8, 0. So 20,500. So on 31st/12/2014, the first installment will be paid, that is 7,500. So now we need to calculate the interest here. So 5%, the rate of interest which is given as rupees 5% here. So 5% of rupees 20,500, which comes to rupees 1,025 here. So now this installment is inclusive of the principal as well as interest here. So when we know the interest which is including 7,500, so the difference will be nothing but the principal sum, which is, so when you deduct this 1,500 from 7,500, we are going to get 6,475. So we should deduct this here. So 6,475. So when you minus here, 10 minus 5, 5 carry 1 here, 10 minus 8, 2 here, carry 1, 0 here, it is 14,025. So the second installment, it becomes due on 31st/12/2015. Again the installment given as rupees 7,500. So now the interest payable at the rate of 5%. So on this outstanding balance, that is 14,025. So 5% of 14,025. So when you calculate here, it comes to 701 rupees, or you can also take 700 also. So the difference here, it will be 6799. So when you deduct this 6799, the difference here is a 15 minus 9, 6, carry 1, 12 minus 10, 2 here, carry 1, 10 minus here, 2, carry 1 here, 14 minus 10, so 7226. So as this is the last year, so that is the last installment, that is 31st/12/2016, so 7500. So at the end of the after payment of the third installment, there should not be any balance here. So instead of, when you calculate 5% of this amount here, you are going to get 300 something here, so which will be remaining. So that's why in the last year, the interest will be the difference between the amount of the installment and the outstanding balance here. So 7500 minus 7226, so that you are going to get rupees 274 rupees as the interest. So when you deduct here 7226, so when you subtract here, so you will not get any balance here. So now let us do the total here. So this comes to 30,000 here. So we should go on adding these amounts here. 7,005 plus 5, 10, 15, 20, carry 2. So 7 4 28 plus 2, 30,000 here. So here we should take the sum of the interest, which we are going to arrive at the 2,000 here. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, carry 1 here. 8, 8 plus 2, 10, carry 1. So then 3, 3 plus 7, 10, carry 1. So 2,000. So here it will be 28,000, which is equaling to the cash price which is given in the problem here. So always this is nothing but what we call it as a higher purchase price, whereas this is considered as the cash price. So the difference between the higher purchase price and the cash price is nothing but the interest. Even in the problem, if sometimes if the rate of interest is not given, so we should take the difference between the higher purchase price and the installment, higher purchase price and the principal amount, so that we are going to arrive at the total interest payable. Thank you.